Let's go have this doe eye look makeup together, which is white, soft, and captivating. First, I'm gonna prep my eyelids. You can also use eye primers, but since I don't have eye primer and I think that it's not necessary for me, I'm gonna stick to the concealer. And I think you don't need to have like thousands of products to make yourself beautiful. You know, I'm one of those kinds that I use one product and I wait until it finishes and then I go for the next product. It is not like that I say, okay, I have like 10 concealers and it's perfect and I use one of them for these occasions, one of them for that occasion. No, I'm not that kind of person. I only have one concealer or maybe two concealers, and then after finishing the concealer, I go and buy the next concealer. Okay, as you know, this is going to help to get rid of all the discolorations. And this is crucial for doe eye makeup because I want to create a kind of white base for that. So I'm just gonna blend it with my finger. Like always. Oh no, sometimes I blend it with my brush too. That's it. Now, what is the next step? Let me tell you the next step. You know, actually I want to set this with my translucent powder, but since I don't know where my translucent powder is at the moment, I'm using this one, which also does the same thing. And also you can use white eyeshadows because we just want to set the concealer on its place. We don't want to do anything else, you know what I mean? I mean, it's not a big deal, just take it easy. That's all. It's all set. Now, let's go to the next step, which is adding the base color. Let me open this up first. So, I'm sorry. It doesn't matter, I'm gonna use the same brush because it's all clean. I just used some translucent powder to set my concealer, so it's still okay. I'm going to use an ivory shade, something like this. You see that? And I want to use this color as my base. So I'm just going to put this color all over my lid. To open up the eyes even more, I'm adding a bright white or a pearl shade. So this is my choice. I'm adding it to the inner corner and the front half of the lid. This is actually the signature of doe eye makeup because it instantly makes your eyes bigger and more awake, like a doe. Now for the deep part of our deep doe eye look, I'm adding a cool toned brown eyeshadow. It could be like back and forth, or it could be in a circular motions, like this. You know, we want to keep the shape rounded, and this helps a lot. That is totally different with the side-on eyes. Now it is as if that my eyes are completely open and big and they're totally deep. Now I'm using the same cool toned soft brown shade to define my lower lash line. Now for the liner, I'm using a brown cream eyeliner for soft definition. So I simply line the upper lash line very thinly. Just enough to frame the eyes. Since I don't want a sharp wing, I create a soft flick. And I want a wide, rounded effect. And then add a white or nude pencil for your inner waterline. Now the lashes, the game changer part. This is actually the most defining part, but remember to curl them first. I also have a video on how to apply false lashes. You can also check that out if you don't know how to apply false lashes. But let me tell you this, that if you want your false lashes to stick better to your lashes, you can also apply mascara before applying false lashes, of course. And remember, for this doe eye makeup look, do not use half lashes because we don't want to have elongated eyes, we want to have round, big eyes. You see, it instantly makes my eyes look bigger and wider. Now to make my eyes look even wider, I am applying mascara to my lower lash line and I am trying to drag it downward. And that's it, the perfect deep doe eye makeup look. I've got the deepened definition and I also have a round eye shape. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you want more beauty tutorials, you know where to find me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!